Hello everyone, in this video we're going to map Central America along with the Caribbean islands. Now in the previous video we looked at the continent of North America. Now this video is going to be very short because the Central American region is very small, but you'll not get bored because these countries are very interesting. Alright, let's begin. Right, so let us look at these countries one by one. The first one is Belize with the capital of Belmopan. Next is Guatemala, and the capital is Guatemala City. Next we have El Salvador, the capital being San Salvador. Then the Honduras, the capital is Tegucigalpa. Then Nicaragua, the capital is Managua. And then we have Costa Rica. The capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. And finally, Panama. The capital of Panama is Panama City. Now there is a lake here in Nicaragua. You must notice this lake. It is by the name of Lake Nicaragua. Now let us look at the boundaries of these countries. Now Guatemala is bordered by Mexico, Belize, Honduras and El Salvador, whereas Belize is bordered by Mexico as well as Guatemala. Honduras is bordered by Guatemala, El Salvador and Nicaragua. And then you have this strip where Nicaragua is bordered by Honduras and Costa Rica, whereas Costa Rica is bordered by Nicaragua and Panama is bordered by Costa Rica and Colombia. आप थोड़ा ट्रिकी पार्ट देखते हैं. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि इन सभी कैपिटल सिटीज को नॉर्थ से साउथ में अरेंज करो तो आप कैसे करोगे? सो वी हैव टू अरेंज दी सिटीज नॉर्थ टू साउथ. सबसे नॉर्थ में आएगा बेल्मोपैन. सो दिस इज नंबर 1 फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. सेकेंड इज ग्वाटेमाला सिटी. थर्ड इज टेगुसिगल्पा. फोर्थ इज सैन सैल्वाडोर. फिफ्थ बीइंग मैनेगुआ. सिक्स्थ वुड बी सैन जोसे and seventh would be Panama City. So this would be the sequence 1 to 7, north to south. Now the Central America region is famous for vanilla, tropical fruits, cocoa, coffee and tea plantation. And of course Panama से आपको immediately याद आता होगा the Panama Canal, which links Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. अब जब water bodies की बात हो रही है तो I hope you have noticed Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic Ocean and then the Pacific Ocean. अब जरा देखते हैं Caribbean Islands को. Now the Caribbean Islands are divided into two parts. एक है Greater Antilles, जो island groups काफ़ी बड़े हैं, इनको Greater Antilles बोलते हैं. And then there are the Lesser Antilles. ये छोटे छोटे island groups हैं, countries हैं जो कि Caribbean Islands का part हैं. Now these are the Bahamas Islands, capital Nassau. This is Cuba, the capital is Havana. Now Cuba is also known as the sugar basket of the world, because of the wide variety of types of sugar canes that are found here. Although you also find tobacco and oil in Cuba. Then you have Jamaica with the capital of Kingston, and these are the Dominican Republic and Haiti. The capital of Dominican Republic is Santo Domingo, and there are so many small islands here. The most important of these are Virgin Islands, US and UK, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Lucia, Dominica, Barbados with the capital of Bridgetown, and then there is Trinidad and Tobago with the capital of Port of Spain. Now Trinidad and Tobago is very important from the Indian point of view because यहाँ पर Indian diaspora majority में है. So the Hindus and Indian people are here in majority. Guyana और Suriname में भी Indian majority है diaspora की. So you must remember these three countries. Right, so this is the Gulf of Panama. And very interestingly, this Gulf is known as the Gulf of Mosquitoes. This is the Gulf of Honduras. And this is the Gulf of Tehuantepec. And this channel between Mexico and Cuba is known as the Yucatan Channel. Right, so this was the mapping of the important aspects of Caribbean Islands and Central America. Thank you. So this is it for this video. The PDF notes for this video are available on the Civil Coursify Android app for free. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, download the Civil Coursify Android app and follow us on Facebook and Telegram. Links are available in the description as well as comment section. Till then, thank you and take care.